Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up and repair report for my friend Tailgunner right here in Glasgow, Kentucky on this Galaxy Saturn. This is an old model Galaxy Saturn. You can tell by the flip switch on off. And it had a lot of issues, older radio, a lot of cleaning up on it. Replaced the finals in it. Replaced the meter lights, LEDs. IC chip was shorted out in it as well. Probably took the finals out. I'm going to show you what we got here. RF power all the way down. 5-watt slug going forward. Half a watt. 5 watts all the way up. I'll spin her back down. I'm going to show you average power first with a 100-watt slug. Audio 16 watts average power. Show you PEP. Audio. Get the camera to focus. Audio 50 watts. 50 watts out of two 1969s. Every now and then you get a good hot one like this. Turns out well, and this is one of them. Alright, Tailgunner, it's ready to go. Ready for you to pick up. I thank you, sir, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com and Truck CB Sales on the Facebook. Bomb bomb.